You used to call me on my cell phone.
Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to Maker Generation channel. This is Mike Maker. So today we try to make a random drawer. So it's supposed to look like this, you can see. So I show you step by step how to do it. So what do we need? We need markers, we need a cup, we need electrician tape, a battery holder, a small DC motor. You also need tape. So let's grab the tape and also about 2 batteries to tape the marker on the cup. So we need to grab one of these. Have a look like this and put it right there. So we try to make a triangle. It'll be like this. So now I want you to take the motor just right here and get the electrician tape that we have here. And to get like an inch. And you put it just right on the motor, just right here. And I want you to turn it like this. And add more tape. One more inch. There we go. So what's gonna happen is the tape we put in now is quite heavy, so it's not really equilibrate. Meaning when you turn, you're gonna be disequilibrate. So when you turn, the cup will shake and it will start moving. So that's the purpose of this project. There we go. So now we can go there. Put it on the side, you can see here, put it on the side. And tape it.
Only me one thing. I know in the hollow thing. That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city.
Now we put tape on it like this so it doesn't move. Since it's shaking a lot, so the tape may leave, so we put tape all around the motor. So now we put the batteries in this, like this. When done, we put a piece of tape just right there. On it, just right there. And we put one on the plus and one on the minus. You don't especially need to. You don't especially have a sense. It goes like this. So let me show you how it works now. So now you remove the tops. There we go. Put that on the side. So as you can see, I already put one in. So let's see how it moves now. And now you can see that it's moving, like it's making circle. It depends how you put this thing. So you can have it longer, shorter. So have different things. So I really hope you appreciate the video today, and you can have more fun with your kids for after school, for just everyday STEM things. So if you like it, please subscribe, leave comments, and see you for another video. Thank you.